Hello again. It's been a day, and I am now back out in the farm to take some more video, to show my city slicker friends and stuff, just where I grew up, though it's a lot different than when I grew up. So this used to be the old dairy barn. That used to be the old compressor room and everything. Before that it was the room where the cream separator was. Everything. That's where the little add-on we had to add on to the milk when that came in happened. So you can see now it's full of chickens and one little formerly pampered, now outdoor cat. It's my grandparents, when they could have pets. Betsy, come on. Paulo, come on. Dogs are off somewhere else. So, wondering, come over here. They don't like me. They remember who I am, but they don't like me right now, apparently. To establish my dominance again. Okay, so got more chickens over here. Ever-present, always chickens. Some equipment that's for when you're making hay. Some more chickens out. You can see one of them there is probably molting. Might be getting picked on. There's chickens everywhere these days. Here's one of our raspberry patches. I think I missed raspberry season though. And here are the fields. So this here has always been like grain or hay or potatoes or something. But up until recently we had cattle grazing in these fields over here. But my dad's had to sell the cattle. Well, he got rid of most of the dairy cattle a while ago. But the few that remained, he got rid of just a little bit ago. It's the first time in like 200 years there haven't been cattle on this land. There's just no money in it anymore. There's no money in anything in farming anymore, actually. But yeah, so the fields are all growing up and stuff, and it's weird. I don't know why he's making the hay. I guess the chickens need some. But yeah, big ground bales. It's easier for my father that he has the round bales because he can use the tractor to move him on his own. He doesn't need people like me and my mom to come out. And there used to be a fence here, to come out and help him all the time. So this is the garden. It's all like, we've got pear trees and apple trees and plum trees and vegetables and stuff. It's getting really on in the season, so everything's pretty much going to seed and stuff. There's very few things left to harvest. I think might still maybe be a bit of corn or something. And the fruit trees aren't quite ripe yet. That'll happen soon. Oh, and yeah, the thing we often point out, this is what dirt looks like. It's supposed to look like. This is like light red, brown stuff. That black stuff you guys have everywhere else, I don't understand it. It looks like manure to me and my dad. We have trouble, oh, here's a new growth of garden. We have trouble eating food that's been grown in it because it looks like it was grown in like manure or cement dust, depending on where it comes from. Well, that's just not appetizing. Oh, 1 second, I'm trying to get a carrot out of here. So yeah, I don't understand. to some extent. Here's what remains of the old grapevine patch. This used to all be grapevines here. But then we had to do some work on the furnace and stuff there, which needed us to dig out this whole area. So my mom's, I think, trying to grow new ones. These here are, the grapes have been destroying the fence for a while, so my mom wants to put a new one up. These are some kind of vaguely wild variety. Really kind of bitter, but they probably would make good wine if we tried that. Oh, here are the dogs. Betsy. Oh, you guys, what? No, I'm not taking you in. My dad built this little porch thing recently, for the last year or two, out of sandstone. Those used to be parts of the foundation of a house somewhere. Maybe there used to be a house up that way, like over 100 years ago. Part of a fox farm. My grandmother has a trailer on the land that's there now. And some of them might come from there. Taken from the foundation. What remained of the foundation. But yeah, that's the farm. Oh, I asked my mom about the bees yesterday. Let's go see the bees. I say that yet I'm kind of phobic of bees. I got stung a lot as a child because my mom likes bees. She didn't know she had bees. She just had the hive out there. And some swarm from somewhere decided it would make a good home and moved in. So she didn't know. This has happened before, but when it happens, she usually has trouble keeping them alive over the winter because they don't get a chance to set up much of a home. And so she's gonna try doubly hard this year because she really misses having bees. Let's take a look here.